Yeah. It was true telling time. The teacher money na baby awo bia no. Yeah, I'm saying next week we send din komo kakra bi. Be din komo papa. I'm saying me know de. Ye ba we say ye beti osumpi. Ye wo Judaism, ye wo Christianity, ye wo Islam, ye wo Buddhist, Zoroastrianism, ene de akekam na nyina. Ena ye be hu book back bia, baku bia. Ye friend Bible. The common one, your friend the Bible. Bible. Ye bisa obi say, "Dear your friend the Bible." No, to one system. Bible simply mean book. Nti we so eye Bible. This is Bible. Bible means book. That is why on some of the Bibles you will see Holy Bible. Just a holy book. Sana dia neti. Nti sa Bible no. Ekuta books. Baku 66. And also another topic. Medical dealing na obeti ase. Ekuta book baku 66. And I know yeba we are saying when we came to this word, we came to hear that among these 66 books of the Bible, we have one of the books, the book of Revelation. You don't read it. If you don't take care and you are reading the book of Revelation, you will go mad. You will go crazy. So I start asking myself, first question, if the readings of the book of Revelation can make somebody go mad or crazy, why should it be filed? Or why should they compile it with the rest of the 65 books of the Bible? It is like you know that the book make people go crazy and you add it to it for people to read. So intentionally you want people to read the book of Revelation and go crazy. And you know correct. Nti wura nye fana se sanity. Nti kwasi ba kwa mitabi sana say, if the readings of the book of Revelation can make people mad, then the person who wrote it, I know they want come mad. The person who wrote it didn't go mad. The person who typed it, at first it was written on a scroll. Okay, you say John over the essence of Patmos, and now when young paper and a pen and a Troy and on the scroll there the two nsioso and a be and Christopher Menya and no more came. That and they are reading. So I am saying that after writing the book of Revelation, John, it did not go through. If John went through, why John didn't go mad? Now, today, printing press aba nti afi Bible and as a book of Revelation, it is no more on what? On a scroll. We now have it printed. Si say ya printing. Nti printing press, the person who printed the Bible, by all means, as he is printing it, he will be reading it by all means. So I am sure that after tapping chapter 1 to chapter 22 of the book of Revelation, that person, that typist, must go mad. But did not go mad. He didn't go crazy. And Omaka said, if you read it, you will go mad. That's what we all hear then. So you simple class overcame the book of Revelation. So me, Sister Dakoba, truth telling time, a lover of truth, I told myself that if it is true that when I read the book of Revelation, I will go mad, I will still read it and I will go mad and I'll be the real evidence for my people. And I started reading it. Me started some kind of book of Revelation. Me do baby how Revelation chapter 1 verse 5 and I do and a problem now starting. And I'm catch them and say, it is because of these things. They say nobody should read it. Because of the lies which are inside the book. Nti no moka ntro ba koni me pa mo chopi wa wo hwe ana wo banya video ya hwe e wo YouTube through telling time Dakoba e wo YouTube no. Maybe so one question. Even in the New Testament, Yesu so wanyani Lazarus. Ye say Lazarus kwa we 4 days ana Yesu bai. Yesu obompaye ana Lazarus we there. or sorry. Ye say, arm officer be, ne baba we, and I used to call her Colano Yedian, or we, Nebun or Yedian, Wada. And Jesus said, Talita Kumi. Anna, the lady do hot, the lady stood up. Anamabua. Luke chapter 7, the verse number 18 going. Ye say, Akolabi we, and they are going to the funeral to go and bury him. Jesus met the funeral process on the way. And they say, drop the coffin. Jesus prayed. And that dead boy rose up. She say, Ama for bebrede. O te sem krabi ho. Elijah wanyane wufo. Elisha wanyane wufo. In the New Testament, we have people who died and came back to life according to the New Testament. Majatum, Revelation chapter 1, the verse number 5. Fiare. Revelation chapter 1, verse 5. Or say, and from Jesus Christ, the faithful witness, the first to be raised from death. And from Jesus Christ, the faithful witness, the first to be raised from death. Until Revelation chapter 1, verse 5, it says, Jesus is the first to be raised from death. We and Ukraine. Let me say, waiting. And almost say, if you are reading the book of Revelation, you will go mad. And you will be thinking about Bobo. Cause you are some sabi. Cause you are some binti. Cause you are some binti say we. And the Bema way there. Obo grace crazy. See, me catch them say, book no. Afe me suen ye. Na ma hwe de homo. Ye kanya ye be Pio chapter 17. Na no asem e na ba be 13 ne. Nti abusua ye nkoy. Revelation 17. The Bible exposes the secret in it. Nti me can once ansana master say ne me kirem. Nti ye nkoy ne. The famous prostitute. Just a prostitute to be no one some oh Revelation chapter 17. Maria Mitchell's a prostitute. No. What you say? Then one of the 7 angels who had the 7 bowls came and said, come and I will show you how the famous prostitute is punished. That great city that is built near many rivers. The kings of the earth practice sexual immorality with her, and the peoples of the world became drunk from drinking the wines of her immorality. The Spirit took control of me, and the angel carried me to a desert. There I saw a woman sitting on the red beast that has names insulting to God written all over it. The beast has 7 heads and 10 horns. The woman was dressed in a purple and scarlet and covered with gold ornaments, precious stone, and pearls. In her hand, she had a gold cup full of obscene and filthy things, the result of her immorality. On her forehead was written a name that has a secret meaning. Oh, everybody. So for na chese meaning that. Secret meaning. I show oba na mumaso. So for bi akire da. Yenya botrene yensie. Secret meaning. Great Babylon, the mother of all prostitutes and pervert in the world. And I saw that the woman was drunk with the blood of God's people and the blood of those who were killed because they have been loyal to Jesus. What a yankomwe. Revelation chapter 17. Ade yeken enya oba bia o. Ora yankom. Topic na say the famous prostitute. Say you can say prostitute a eyo obi a oba bia anase bema bia mostly oba a one bema we na dwumani one wada no bema foforo so nyina da no nyina da na business nti oba bi ye say Revelation chapter 17 wa bodwa mine saama wa ba ye famous wa hiti dwama bom the famous prostitute prostitute ben yenko ye ni moy the famous prostitute se meme se che nsembi wonu me kesisia ora yenko ye ni ye do point na wa obeti ase. Then one of the 7 angels who had the 7 bowls came to me and said, "Come, and I will show you how the famous prostitute is to be punished." The prostitute is to be what? Punished. Yenyam punishino. Afi yenko yeni. That great city. Afi who say the famous prostitute no ayedien city. Fatu trim. Me say book we enye nyankopon asem o coded book. Tie akenkan asem no. If you just read, you will never see. Take your time and study the book. So what you say? Listen to the analogy. One of the 7 angels who had the 7 bowl came to me and said, "Come, and I will show you how the famous prostitute is to be punished. That great city that is built near many rivers." Nti ahano prostitute no eye nipa enye nipa. Nti prostitute eye kan ho asem Revelation chapter 17 a ye hu say sa prostitute no eye city bi city bi onim city crow me chere wase CCA hwe me mekan krea mensuro. I will say the truth. What am I coming to say? Pope Francis is aware. Roman Pope, he knows what I'm coming to say. Pope knows what I'm coming to say. Yenko yene. Nti already yehu say the famous prostitute is a great city. Dientina sa city great. Ma chire ne nyina mu baako. Yento mbwase. Yenko yene mwen. Afi, the kings of the earth practice sexual immorality with her. Yedike hu say prostitute no onye nipa city bi ana ye say ewiase ahimfo nyina one saa oba no ana saa city na e dia bodwaman fatwo trim. So all the kings of the world, the kings of Ghana, the president of Ghana, essentially Nana Akufo-Addo, has practiced sexual immorality with the famous prostitute here. I know what I'm talking about. Donald Trump, His Excellency, and the account nyina. For resources in Nyasingbe, Togo president. They have practiced sexual immorality with the prostitute here. And I'm say the prostitute here is not a woman. It is what? It is a great city. Be coming. Afi. And the peoples of the world became drunk from drinking the wines of her immorality. Nti se ewiase ahifo government omen oba no kobo dwaman no waje oba na dwama bonsa nsuo no mo dia branyen ya yeti oman no mo no mo dia branyen. Nti the peoples of the world have also drank the blood of the immoralities of the woman, and all the peoples of the world became drunk. Isaiah 29 verse 9. Or say, "Mo bubu nenso enye nsa, mo tomatin time nenso emfiri sade." Nti den abo me wi na ma kire wase. Abusia ya Abraham Aswala Pia looking for you. So what you say? Me come in. Nti ori ama me kire ahanu kransan verse 1 to 2. One of the 7 angels who had the 7 bowl came to me and said, "Came, and I will show you how the famous prostitute is to be punished." that great city that is built near many rivers. Nti who say the prostitutes yanon a great city, a city ben Vatican City. The Vatican City. Now once na yeka ha. Make sure I say I will decode it one by one for you right now and you will understand. They are talking about the Vatican City, which is in Rome, which is in Italy. It is the Vatican City. I know your friend Bible no a friend say or your famous prostitute Adentia. It has a link with all the countries in the world. Vatican City has a link with all the countries in the world. How? The better was here. So what you say? So, as you say that city no idea, a great city. How? What him say? So we have the currency spent in Italy, and I saw currency here. You spend it our Vatican, and I want it. If you have the Italian currency and you are traveling into Vatican, you are to convert it, you are to change, you are to buy the currency spent in Vatican. The Vatican is a city kitwa. A city built underground. I am saying that what I am saying, Roman Pope is aware. Roman Pope is aware. Yanko anyway. After they say, the kings of the earth practice sexual immorality with her. Yes, we say and info. Omonsa obane edien e dia modwaman. How? Onim. Kokan Daniel chapter 7 verse 23. Explanation bi oho say ahindi baku for bi ebe di wiaso e wiase. The fourth kingdom is very powerful and strong. That kingdom has changed the law, festival and time. Daniel chapter 7 verse 23. The fourth empire or kingdom has killed God's people and it has changed time, festivals and what and law. A law ben na ye Roman Empire na wan se na ye kan the famous prostitute no the Roman the Vatican City and the Roman Empire na wan se na ye kan nti Daniel 7:23 we have three things that empire changes what law abi say bema fa na yanko bema to Africa, we have our law and tradition. They tell us no, there is another law from a God in the sky, in the Bible. Go and follow it. Na yewe no yesu moja na wi na honam. But so mami, what is a belowabi or baby or dini panama obeka se we are for. You will tell me that woman is a witch. But you are drinking the blood of the Son of God. You are not a witch. You are not a wizard.